Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by giving WhatsApp the access it needs, because without contacts permission you can't see numbers. Open Settings, tap Apps, find WhatsApp and enable contacts, then make sure your phone contacts are synced with Google or iCloud so WhatsApp can read them. Once done, restart WhatsApp so it refreshes its index. This forces the app to import new entries. If you use multiple accounts, repeat for each account so everything shows consistently across devices. Now you'll look inside the app to reveal numbers. Tap Chats, then New Chat to load the WhatsApp contact list. This displays every synced contact that has WhatsApp. Tap a contact to open their profile. You'll see the phone number beneath the display name, and you can long press to copy it. For group member lists, open the group, tap the group name for group info, and scan the participants. Numbers appear next to names when available. This shows how WhatsApp maps names to phone numbers. Finish by exporting or troubleshooting so you actually get a list you can use. Open Web, WhatsApp.com and scan the QR, copy profiles or use a chat export to capture visible numbers into a file. If a number is missing, make sure that person uses WhatsApp and that your contact sync includes that entry. Sometimes duplicates or country codes block matches. If things still fail, force sync contacts, clear WhatsApp cache, or reinstall the app. That usually resolves permission or indexing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.